Okay, so let's get started, everybody. Just like we normally do, come back and get ready with your March calendar, please. Okay, everybody's got their March calendar ready, and you're going to need a pencil or a crayon, just like we always do. So let's start with today is. Now, the last time we were together was Friday. We were in the classroom together on Friday, and it always gets a little bit tricky, you know, after the weekend. But if the last day we were together was Friday, what is today? So remember, it was Friday, then we had the weekend, so today is what day? Very good. Today is Monday, our first day of our school week. So today is Monday. And what month it is it? We're about halfway through our month. We're on the third week of our month. Our month is March. Very good. Now again, it gets a little tricky with the weekend, so if you need some help, take a look at your calendar. If the last time we were together was Friday, and Friday was March 13th, what day is it today? Monday, March 16th. Very good. And how do you make a 16th? A 1 and a 6. That's right. So today is Monday, March 16th. And what year is it, everybody? 2020. 2020. Awesome. So today is Monday, March 16th, 2020. Okay, awesome. Good job. Let's, again, pick up your March calendars. Make sure you're ready to go. And let's take a look at the calendar. So again, the last time we were together was Friday, March 13th, which means what came after Friday? It was the weekend, we were home with our families. What comes after Friday? Very good, Saturday. So Saturday was after Friday. And if Friday was the 13th, what was Saturday? And I already wrote it on the calendar by accident, so I'm giving you a little hint. What was Saturday? The 14th, very good. And how do you make a 14th? A 1 and a 4. Go ahead and find Saturday. Slide your finger down and write in 14. Make sure your 4 is facing the right way. Very good. What kind of positional word could you use to tell me or tell somebody where to write that 14? What's a good positional word to use to tell me that? Below the number 7. Under the number 7. That would be a good one. Next to the number 13. Good job. Okay, let's keep going on. So after Saturday, it was still the weekend. What day came after Saturday? Sunday. Very good. So after Saturday came Sunday. And if Saturday was the 14th, Sunday was the 15th. Very good. And how do you make a 15? A 1 and a 5. Very good. So take out your pencil, take out your crayon, and write in, I'm going to do it with you, a 15, a 1, and a 5. Make sure your 5 is facing the right way. Okay, that leads us to today. So again, today is, if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Our month is March. And if yesterday was the 15th, today is the 16th. Very good. How do you make a 16th? A 1 and a 6. Go ahead and write in the 16th. Make sure you found Monday. Slide your finger down and write in the 16th. Below the number 9, next to the number 15. Everybody got it? Okay, good. Okay, let's do today is. Ready, everybody? Today is Monday, March 16th. One more time. Today is. Okay, hope you said it too. Very good. Monday, March 16th. Awesome. Good job. Okay, that's it for our calendar. Let's flip on over to the next page to our weather graph. So, since we're not all together, what I need for you to do, go peek outside a window, go peek outside a door, make sure mommy and daddy or whoever you're with says it's okay, and take a look up in the sky. See what the feeling of that temperature feels like in the skin and get a good idea of what our weather is. While you're doing that, or before you run off to do that, let's see. What is our season today? Winter, spring, summer, or fall? What is our season today? It's been this season for a really long time, but we're almost done with it. What season is today? Very good. And look, I even have a new picture for us to use from home. The season is winter. What season is going to be coming next? We're almost done with winter. What season's coming next? Spring. Very good. And what day are we expecting spring to come? March 19th. Ooh, it's so close. Look, if today is Monday the 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, Thursday, yay, will be the first day of spring. Okay, did you have a chance to peek out the window or the door? And what do you see as the weather up in the sky today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? What's going on? Okay, awesome, good. So find that on your weather graph and color in one rectangle to show what that weather is doing outside up in the sky today. And what's the temperature feel like? Is it freezing cold? Is it a little bit cool? Is it warm? I know it's not super hot, so what do you think the weather is today on the, what do you think the temperature is today? Awesome, very good. Okay, so make sure you colored in that rectangle for your weather, and you can close up your calendar. And we are all done with our first calendar for home. Awesome, good job. You guys should probably know what's next. Oh, I almost forgot something. We were gonna go on to calendar notebook, but forgot one more thing in our calendar. Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Let's do that really quick before we get into our calendar notebook, okay? So we already said a couple times, what is today? What day of the week is today? Today is Monday. Very good. Now, if today is Monday, what was yesterday? We were home. It was the weekend. What was yesterday? Sunday? Awesome. Very good. Now, if today's Monday, what's tomorrow going to be? Looks like we're still going to be home working together on the computer. So after Monday comes what? Tuesday. Awesome work. Okay, good. Now I think we're officially done with our calendar for today. You can put it on down and go ahead and grab your calendar notebook. Hopefully we're all doing good. This is just like we do up each day in school. So go ahead and open up your calendar notebook, and you know we're going to our second page that has all of our big numbers on it. Okay, so look what I brought from our classroom. I made sure that I wanted to bring this home with us so that we would have it to use. So let me ask you, how many days were we in school on Friday? Very good, 120. We were in school 120 days. But even though we're not together in the classroom, we are still working and in school together today. So what is one more day? What comes after 120? Very good, 121. And how do you make a 121? A 1, a 2, and a 1. Awesome, very good. Okay, so what I want you to do is, you know what to do. Take your calendar notebook, find 121 in your calendar notebook and trace it. And while you're doing that, I'm going to take out our 0 from 120, and I quickly found another number 1. Now, for 121, what place should I put the number 1 in? Does it go in the hundreds place, the tens place, or the ones place? Very good. It goes in the ones place. So we have been in school 121 days. Awesome. Good work. Now, Can anybody from home maybe tell whoever you're with, tell mom or dad or big brother or sister or grandma or grandpa, whoever you're with, can you explain to them what do we have going on with our straws right now? So for our straws, what do we have going on right now? So this is what? Good. This is one bundle of 100. So we have one bundle of 100 straws. And here we have two bundles of 10. So we have two 10s. And how many ones do we have? 0. But you guys just told me that we're in school 121 days, that we should have 1 ones. So what do we need to do to fix our straws? Very good. We need to add 1 more. So I'm going to take 1 more and I'm going to add it into our ones place. So now we have 121 straws. Awesome job. Okay, good job. You traced your 121. Flip on over to your 10 frames, everybody. Okay, so you know that our 10 frames help us count by tens, and our 10 frames should be looking beautiful right now because on Friday, we finished a brand new 10 frame. So let's count by tens and make sure that we all have the right amount colored into our calendar notebooks. Here we go. Ready? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, hope you're doing it with me, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Awesome. We have 120 boxes colored in our 10 frames. But we said that we're in school 121 days. So what do we have to do? You're right. Pick a new 10 frame box and color in 1 more. So let me pick a favorite color of crayon here, and I'm going to color in 1 more square in my 10 frame for 121. So you should have 12 10 frames all colored in and a brand new 10 frame with 121. Awesome. So let's move on to the next page. So we've got our odd and even sneakers. Everybody got them? Okay. So I checked your sneakers the other day, and most of you have got the right amount of sneakers, 120. A couple of you have got too many. So make sure that you hold off and don't color any sneakers if you've got too many. Okay, so how many days did we say we were in school? 121. Very good. Is 121 odd or even? Odd. Very, very good. Now, did you look at the 1, the 2, or the 1 to figure out if it was odd or even? Good. You looked at the 1. Did you look at the 1 where? In what place? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones place? You got it. Very good. You know that we always look at the ones place to figure out if a number is odd or even, and 121 is odd. So please take your calendar notebook and color in 1 sneaker and make sure it's all by itself because 121 is odd. Awesome. Okay, almost done. Flip on over to our tally mark page, which also should be looking beautiful because on Friday, what did we do on Friday with our tally marks? That's right, we shut the door. So at 120 days, we needed to shut the door. And tally marks help us count by what? Tally marks help us count by 5s. So follow along with your tally mark boxes and let's count by 5s. Ready? So what do we need to do to get from 120 to 121? That's good. Add 1 more tally mark. But where? Because I shut the door on Friday. So where am I going to add this brand new 1 tally mark? You're right. Pick a new box and add 1 new tally mark. And that gives us 121 tally marks. Awesome.